What's up, my peeps? It's Cynthia, the fitness and wellness bully here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am the real life fit to fat and soon to be fit again. If you know, you know. So today I bring you a 15-minute Tabata workout. 20 seconds of work, 10-second rest, active recovery, preferably, meaning stepping side to side or marching in place until we go to the next exercise. You're gonna have 3 rounds of 10 exercises. Alrighty, so you're gonna have fun, you're gonna burn calories, it's low impact, it's beginner friendly, it's all those good things. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below, and share the love with your friends. And you know what I always say, this weight loss, fat loss journey is not easy. Believe me, I know. However, you have to love yourself through the process, all right? So, enough of the formalities. Let's get it poppin'. Hey.
All right, team, we're gonna start with skaters. Step and reach, all right? Hear the buzzer and go. Get a little hop or a little step. Step touch. Next move, you keep step touching, is a prisoner squat, okay? Hands behind your head. Ready? Let's go. Breathe. You don't have to squat that deep. Pull the navel toward the spine and smile. Smile. Step touch, coming up, punches. Nice mini squat when you punch. Ready? Let's go. Don't forget to breathe. You hear the buzzer? It's gonna be your rest, okay? Step and kick. Right? Step and kick. All right, little break. Coming up. Little speed bag, mini squat, speed bag. You can groove a little bit if you want to. Reverse. Step touch. All right. After that, we got knees, right knee, come in toward the chest, right? Let's go, hey! Keep breathing. Break. What we did on the right, gotta do on the left. Step knee. Little break. You gotta squat, calf raise onto the balls of your feet. Let's go. out your whole entire foot, okay? Here we go. Breathe, baby. Little break. Little ab work. Knee with a rotation of the torso. Got it? Hands behind your head. Let's go. Navel to the spine. Little break. Round one down. Moving on to round two. We've been here before. You're going to start with the skaters. Go. Breathe. Break. Prisoner squat. We've been here before, right? Squat right now. Chest up, knees behind your toes, tracking in line with your toes. None of this, none of that, right? Little break. You're just flying through it. We're gonna move to punches again. Ready? Let's go. Little baby squat. Punch. Little mean face when you punch it. Mean mugging. I'm starting to glisten. Break. Remember, 10 seconds. Step and kick. Breathe. Break. Speed bag. Little squat. Here we go. Focus. Reverse. Break. Woo! Glistening. Step knee, right knee. Bring that knee toward the chest. Break. Breathe. Other side. Break. Breathe. Got to squat, calf raises, okay? Here we go. Nice and easy. Little break. Quick feet coming. Step touch.
I learned my lesson in hindsight. Why did
Here we go.
I'm like a deer in the headlights.
Balls at your feet, not the entire foot.
I've been going backwards, drifting off with your words. Can't find a way to deal with this now. Don't you see you imply forever, but this is however. Not in line with your
Little break.
'cause it's a bitter, bitter pill that I need to swallow.
You got those knees with the trunk rotation.
Can't believe
Here we go.
this is real. It's been going on without you, gives me chills. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill.
Little break. Guess what? 2 down, 1 to go. Skaters. Last round, make it count.
You've been sending signals. I guess it's very simple, but I was occupied with myself. Remember that you implied forever, but now you're like whatever and moving on to somebody else. 'Cause it's a bitter, bitter
Break.
that I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real.
Prisoner squat. Hands behind your head. Just a bitter pill. Remember, knees tracking in line with your toes.
It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. I know you struggle with your patience.
Break.
'Cause I was
We're almost done, team.
every way. And now that I've learned the
None felt like it was coming out.
my apologies won't change
All right, punches. Baby squat.
apologies won't change anything.
Someone cut you off in traffic today? They're in front of you right now.
'Cause it's a bitter, bitter pill
Break.
that I need to swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on with
Step and kick.
gives me chills. It's
Right
a bitter
now.
pill. It's a bitter pill. It's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill. Yeah, it's a bitter pill.
Break. All righty, speed bag coming at you. Right here.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your
Reverse.
eyes. Not thinking twice, and mine is done. Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad?
Break.
My sweaty palms reveal a warning.
We got those knees toward the chest. Coming at you
And run to you.
right now.
So we could drive away. You'll hear me say
Left.
everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, trying to stop the fire under your spell. Can't help myself. You know
Break.
you are, I need you close. Can't help myself.
Calm the breath.
Trying to stop the fire under your spell.
This side. Let's go. Break. Step touch. Focus. Squat. Calf raises. Chest is lifted. On the balls of your feet. Little break. We got quick feet coming at you.
Can't help myself.
Now, One more exercise. And we done, baby. Make sure you cool down properly. All right. Knee trunk rotation. Get a break. Then you get a little victory buzzer. It's a good job you did. Celebrate. Hey. Thank you so much. Quick and dirty. Remember, love yourself through the process. It ain't easy. Till next time, people. Peace.